Hello. The daily positive news beautifully visualized by information is beautiful, June 26, 2020. Today's visualization is about cruelty-free plant-based foods and products are blooming. So many good reasons for replacing meat with plant-based food. Fewer antibiotics in the food chain. Less pollution in water systems. Reducing global warming. If the whole world made the switch, it would cut greenhouse gas emissions by 70%. Deforestation would be stopped in its tracks. It would be better for animals, for us, for the planet. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.